What's up, guys? So it's Carlos. As y'all can see, I got the Huracan behind me. Let me give y'all some bad news on this car. It sucks. I don't know what to do. Let me just show y'all, because it's a mess. So as y'all know, I bought this from Copart with rear end damage. Let me show y'all what all I've done to it so far. So check this out. So far, I've been working on the quarter panel. I am going to take it to a body shop. I'm not the best at doing Bondo. They're going to take off all my fiberglass that I put on there. They're going to fix that the right way. The middle trunk part also needs to be painted, and I think it had a crack. I'm going to show that to y'all. This one right here, the only damage was to the heat shield, and we are now straight piped. So full on straight pipe in there. That sounds nice. Now, as far as the rear bumper goes, I ordered a full carbon fiber custom bumper for it. About $5 out the door. It was the bumper and the grill, but there was an issue with it. Let me show y'all that. Here's the bumper right here. It's pretty badass. We actually test fitted this earlier. Fits on there perfect, but let me show y'all the issue with it. It was delivered in this box Monday, and when we unpackaged it, we realized there's a crack on it right here. So I immediately called the company that sent it out to us. I let them know about it, and they told us since we signed for it, there's nothing we can do about it. Now the whole bumper, it was packaged. It was like, you know, I don't even know what to say. They said nothing we can do about it. We bought warranty, shipping warranty. They said that the warranty would cover it if we would have opened the package and turned down the package while it was here because of damage. We didn't. My father over there, he signed for the package. I opened it the next day and found out it was damaged. And then we have a few more parts in here. This one right here, where'd it go? This is the rear grille. I had the option to buy one just original. I actually went with the carbon fiber because if it's gonna have a carbon fiber rear bumper, I want carbon fiber in the rear. Some just random parts. These right here, I'm actually selling. This is damaged, posted it on eBay. That's damaged, that's already sold. Have to ship that out Monday. The bumper, I'm gonna pull the parking brake brackets or whatever off, and then I'm gonna sell it. I can probably get about 1,000 just on that bumper cover. That's how it's going so far. I mean, I don't know what to do about the bumper. I did file the claim. They said chances of it actually going through is gonna be pretty low. They said about out of 100 claims, once you sign for it, then you're pretty much out of luck if it has damage, which I understand. You know, when you sign, you're putting on there that you're receiving the package without any damage, but that's still $5,000. I'm just going, they said I can wait for the freight company to respond and give us, you know, an update whether they're going to take the shipment back and refund it or if they're going to turn it down. But it takes up to 120 days to hear back from them, and honestly, I don't want to wait that long. That's too long. I want this car done, so I'm ready to just take that. I did take the bumper to the body shop. They said that they can fix the bottom part and paint it black. Not the full carbon fiber, but just that bottom section. I feel like that's the best option right now. Some of y'all who have followed me on TikTok, that's my old Audi R8, my favorite car, GTR. And then that's the Gallardo that I had before. It was GTR first. I think it was the Lambo. And then it was the Audi. This right here is that trunk cover. As you can see where the damage on it was. They're gonna redo that. Get that painted to match. The original exhaust is also gonna be up for sale. This piece right here goes all the way across. This actually holds the bumper, the original bumper. And I thought I was gonna have to get this piece replaced because right here it is cracked. But come to find out, on the new bumper, you only need these 4 holes And this is just pretty much extra stuff that would hold the original bumper, but it does not hold the aftermarket one. So we got lucky on that part. I was driving this around town and sadly got a paint chip right there. I don't know if a rock hit it or what happened to it, but everything's good so far mechanically. Starts right up. I put a new battery in it. That thing runs perfect. I'm gonna say probably about 2 weeks and it's gonna be completely done. No damage on this side. Starts right up. This car also has a radar jammer, which I thought was pretty badass. Right there's the controls. I still haven't learned to see how that works or anything. Today I finally learned how to fix how to turn up the fans. This car is just crazy. Like, there's a lot of stuff. But let me give y'all a quick rev up, and that's how I'm gonna end this video. Y'all have a good one. Make sure to subscribe.